Racing just started. We have para sa amin. Break quickly at a start. Marcus Wolf, Shades of Red. Rushing upon the outside is Jupiter, Thunder, Semper Fidelis in between horses. Then comes Simple Beauty, while Tempest is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have para sa amin by a length and a half. Marcus Wolf in second, Semper Fidelis, and on the outside is Jupiter Thunder. 3 lengths for the back. In fifth comes Shades of Red. Simple Beauty comes next, while Tempest is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have para sa amin maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Jupiter Thunder in second. Marcus Wolf is running by the rail third. Semper Fidelis is racing in fourth. Then comes Shades of Red, Simple Beauty, while Tempest is still running at the tail of the field. And on the fourth turn, we have para sa amin still in control, maintaining a length lead. Jupiter Thunder is on the outside, Semper Fidelis. Then here comes Shades of Red, finds some opening down on the inside as they swing for home. We have para sa amin by about 2 lengths. Shades of Red is on the outside, Semper Fidelis. Last 100 meters, we have Shades of Red now takes command, and finally we have Shades of Red, Semper Fidelis para sa amin close. Marcus Wolf, Jupiter Thunder, Simple Beauty, and Tempest.
May close tayo for